Hi.
Hello.
Good day.
Good day.
My name is Arkad. Is there a hotel in this place?
Hotel?
Yeah.
There is over there Bohol Boutique.
All right.
That's a hotel.
It's a good hotel.
And we have another in RDJ. You
All
can
right.
stay there.
All right.
They have swimming pool. You can eat there.
All right. Thank you so much.
It's so much nature.
Layo pa?
Hoy!
Diba? Kailan natin?
Uy, ikaw kay vlogger ka. Kung bagod ka na horon.
Hi, ma'am.
Hingilan. Vlogger na. Di ako ikagagi.
Apo kung imoy.
Imoy.
Pamilaon ba? Ano, bunlak.
Mura magudbog kag. Arabo. Arabo. Asa kaya na magke.
Badong.
Sawang.
Let's go.
Go.
Wala sa dapat kasi imoy, oy.
Daw na si Jack.
Ang Ma'am Yuna ba si...
May laon. Ilat ba yung subilar guys. Marama ka dyan si Jack.
Apa pa niya?
Oh.